Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to use the healow app to manage your healthcare appointments. So first open healow and sign into your account. Then make sure your healthcare provider is connected to your account. Now from the home screen, look for the appointments option. Depending on your provider, you may be able to view upcoming appointments, schedule a new appointment, or request a visit. To schedule one, choose the provider or appointment type you need. Then select an available date and time, then review the appointment details carefully. And if your provider offers virtual visits through healow, then you may also see an option for a video appointment. So that was how to use healow app to manage appointments. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.